Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this morning, if you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beats, videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified every time I make a video. So today's video, we're going to be doing, as you see, spring cleaning for my room. So I'm gonna start like right now, even though my battery for my camera is dead, so I'll have to be using my phone, which should die. So I'm gonna know that's not gonna work, but I really want to kind of switch up where I sleep, so you know, just wanted to just do this video then. So let me show you the room and then we shall begin. So y'all should know my room is kind of untidy right now because I did not make the bed, since I'm gonna change the sheets and all. I want to put this bed over there, so back just for a few, I guess, and see how that goes. So yeah, I'm gonna just clear off that. I won't be changing this sheet because nobody really sleep on this bed, so that not change, but this has to change because this is dirty. So yeah, and then I'm gonna clean my windows, just tidy up over here and there, and then I'll be done. Yeah, so I already got my bucket and my broom. Oh yeah, and I'm not sure if I want to change this. I might change that because I haven't taken down this from Christmas, so I might do that. Yeah, and I might do the bathroom in this video or in the next. But yeah, if I do that, then you guys will see that. But in case I don't, then yeah, let us begin this video. So that is wiped and that side of the window is wiped. What I'm gonna do is push over that bed over there, and then oh yes, I need to straighten up this. Actually, it's not dirty. All I need to do is just remove my nightie and those clothes, and then I'm good. Yeah, but yeah, just waiting until this dry, then I'm gonna move that bed there. That is done. Now let's put that bed over there, clean the window, sweep and wipe, and then I sort out here, then I'm done. Yeah. Okay guys, so I've made progress. So this is what the room is looking like so far. I need to make up that bed, but this one is made because this is fixed. I don't think I'm gonna change this because There's no water to wash them, but I need to change my sheets. But yeah, so I haven't started anything over here, just this bed alone fix up. Gonna find the sheet for that, and then I can finish the rest. So that's neat now. I fixed over there just to close my bag, and then I'm gonna fix down here. Alright guys, I am finished with my room, and I'm gonna wipe right now, and then I'm gonna do like my bathroom another day, but I'm done with my room. So yeah.